Hi, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to introduce you to the newest addition to our compression tool line, the CTF-180. The CTF-180 is a compression tool that works on both short and long style F connectors for RG59 and RG6 cables. Additionally, the CTF-180 provides true 360-degree support, meaning the tool will work on many different manufacturers' F connectors. Like many Jonard Tools products, the CTF-180 is covered under our Made for Life lifetime warranty program and can be purchased through any of the distributors listed on our website, www.jonard.com. Simple to use. First, prep the cable with a cable prep tool such as the Jonard Tools UST-125. Next, determine the proper plunger length for either short or long connectors. For this example, I'll be using a short style F connector, so we need to make sure the plunger is set properly. Open the tool. In this case, it was set incorrectly. We pull the plunger out, rotate it, push it back in. Slip the cable into the connector, making sure you set the cable to the proper depth. Insert the cable and connector into the compression tool and squeeze the handle. Remove the cable. Compression's complete. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and comment below. Hit the subscribe button to hear about the latest innovations from Jonard Tools.